Hey, what is up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're working on the CRX again, and I'm gonna be replacing the lower control arm bushings. So I'm gonna have to basically just take out the suspension bolts, well basically everything that connects to the lower control arm, which is sway bar, suspension, bottom tie rod, no, or what, this nut right there, and take out that. Then I'm gonna have to take out the bushings and replace these. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take off the sway bar, which they both are 12s, I believe. Yep, they're both are 12s. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Put this on top, put this one on bottom, and there we go. Now I can go ahead to the bottom right here and get this one off, this little cotter pin. Alright, got 1.5 out. And come on, let me get, there we go. Alright, cotter pin is out, so I'm gonna have to get a new one later. And I had to zap it with, it looks like a 14? No, wrong, it's 17. Oh wait, 16? Nope, that's 17. I have to go get that real quick. Alright, got the 17. Now I'm just gonna zap it off. Alright. Put it over here. And then I'm gonna have to get the 17 wrench. And take the traction, or disconnect the traction bar from this. Oh wait, never mind, it's a 19. That's 18. This is a 19. Or is it 18? Oh my days. Oh. So I'm gonna have to do this. And I'll see you guys when I take both of the bolts off. Alright, got it disconnected. Now, looks like I have to get the suspension one off. And I'm gonna get this nut back here and break it loose and spin on that side. So what is it, 17? Yep, gotta get the 17. And zap it off. Alright, I got that off. Just put these together so they don't get lost, which really can't get lost out here, but anyways, now looks like I just have to unbolt it from right there. So it looks like a 14, if I am correct. Where'd the first thing go? We are missing a 14. Am I blind? Alright guys, so in this clip, on that little socket holder thing, we have 2 12s on that, only 114. So now looking back at it, I'm freaking dumb. That is the 14 that I was looking for. Find it, like it's like in the most obvious spot, but I'm just freaking dumb and blind. I swear I can't find it. So I'm gonna go under here. Alright, sweet, we got that bolt off, and it looks like I just bring it down. Come on. Okay, I might need a pry bar, most likely. So I'm gonna get that. Oh, there we go. Now I just have to somehow take this off right here. Which I probably have to bang out with the hammer. So let's put this guy back in. Hey guys, so I got the lower control arm off, and I'm gonna be doing the trick that my dad showed me, which is getting this drill bit, drilling it, and then letting it go like this, and it should just come out. So I probably do it over here.